Okay, so stream got taken down for copyright. Kinda knew it was coming. But thought to do something funky for Friday, Freaky Friday. Let's try this again. Not even sure if we'll get a trade here. But that was just quite abrupt and rude. So, thank YouTube for that. But I'm back with quite our same lo-fi, just chill music now. Had some DNB on just now. Headbanging on a Friday. Raza, what do you do? What work do you do? Gold is going crazy, yeah. Yeah, no worries, man. It's a Friday as well, so just take it slow. What do you guys do? Work in construction. That's cool, man. I was in electrical. Safety boots. Oh yeah. Nah, I know how it goes, man. I think you construction guys and electrical guys have beef. I wasn't really in construction, but I always heard stories of like the builders. So the electricians would lay out their pipes, getting ready to run cables, and then the construction guys would put a stone in the pipe, and then you can't get the cable through. Yeah. Okay, so we're waiting for 10:30. Right now, not looking so good. Looks like we'll continue pushing down here on GJ, and I'm not really interested in sales. Currently sitting at a daily support. Yesterday was very bullish, so I'm not really interested in sales in this area. Jeez, Ian, that's cool. Self-driving cars. Watch gold drop all the way back down. So yeah guys, sorry about the first stream. It was taken down for copyright. Just had some DNB on there to get keen for Friday, but YouTube didn't like that, so back with the chilled music. Chilled Friday. Just gonna take it slow. Let's mark this up, just so you guys know why I'm staying out of sales. Got a daily support right here. So Ian, do you do programming or what? Broke the lows here of the previous hourly. Safest area for sells is going to be below 161,350. To me that looks like a nice clean area. Not too excited about sells right here. There's a daily support right here. And then we're going to move into another level. Just quite messy around this area. USD CHF. Check gold. What did I say? It's gonna drop all the way back down. Don't trade USD CHF, but let's have a look at it. We've got time here, so geez, just buy it. Just buy it right now, bro. Strong bullish candle closure, got a wick to fill, got clean traffic to the left, and just bet the house. Okay, well your daily looks like we could move back up to resistance here at 1,0017. Clean traffic all the way up there. You had resistance right over here, which we closed above on the hourly. Only thing is, to take bars now, you would obviously have current candle stops, which I don't really like. There's quite a major level there at 0,97777. Close below that level. Let's see, maybe wait for the 30-minute candle closure. NFP's at 2:30 for me. It's in the afternoon. I won't be live streaming NFP. NFP 2:30 South African time. This thing is moving crazy. A lot of dollar strength, so I wonder. For NFP, they're looking at bad numbers, which could potentially drive gold up. But we've had a really strong move down. Looks like we've still got some bearish momentum here. Really, you're in this range right here between 1747 and 1733. So you're going to need a breakout of that range. We are pushing down right now. If we break this daily low right over here, we could potentially move into the next daily support. Okay, looking left right over there at 1726. Now what I'm thinking is there's quite a lot of volume here already. Maybe this volume carries us into that daily support and we maybe bounce off of that level at NFP with those bad numbers. I don't know, to me that makes sense. But generally NFP we're going to be ranging, consolidating beforehand. As you can see, this whole area right here is just choppy. Traders are waiting for those numbers to be released. So we broke out of that little mini range and we've stayed above the support. So this is your range right now. And you need to break out of that range. Yeah, I'm from South Africa. Numbers you can get on Forex Factory. So here we go, NFP. See at the top, forecast. They are looking at 260k compared to 390k last time. So here we go. Usual effect, actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So it kind of depends how those numbers come out, but the forecast is worse than the previous numbers, so we would say that they're looking at bad numbers. Investing.com is also really nice, but sometimes investing.com will be missing something, sometimes Forex Factory will be missing something. And I always used investing.com, and then I found out about Forex Factory. Now I just use both, just to stay on top of things. You can see sometimes also the numbers differ. 268k. So higher than expected reading should be taken as bullish for the USD. Goodness. Hourly's flipping bullish now. Bearish, I mean bearish. Let's see. That's cool, man. Welcome to the stream, Agnes. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Looks like your 30-minute on GJ is going to close quite bearish here. So, guys, I think that's it for the stream. My original bias this week was bearish, but after yesterday's close, that changes everything. We've pushed down quite a lot already. so no sells for me. Maybe a closure back above 162,470 later in the day for buys. Would be cool to see this 4-hour drive back up and close above 162,470, but you only got 30 minutes left here, so not a very high probability of that happening. Definitely stay away from gold. Stay away from gold until NFP. I'm not going to mark up any support or anything within this range. I'm not interested in taking trades here. We could potentially have sells below 161,350, let's say, but I don't think that'll happen here in our session. GER30. All of these charts have gaps. Maybe it's because it's stocks. I'm assuming these gaps are because, you know, the stock market does open with gaps, but if you look on Nasdaq, on Oanda, you know, you don't get these gaps. I don't like to look at gaps. So to me this looks like shit. I don't really know. Weekly, obviously quite bearish. Close below this weekly support. But your daily looks like we've tapped into the support area and are potentially moving up. Got a resistance right over here on the 4 hours, so buys above that level look good. But you closed bearish on that resistance on the previous 4 hour. So yeah, I think it could potentially move down here. Yeah, I don't think sells are a bad idea for right now. There, 30 minutes also breaking support. So you could potentially drive further down here. Good idea for sales. I'm going on 4 years of trading, just about. Let's update the record. Took a loss earlier on. Closed half at -12, closed full at -24. Not the best of weeks, but I mean, we took 3 trades. So, very slow week. Very slow start to the month. Alright. Sheesh. Okay, so we broke that daily support. You can see we formed a support there on the 5 minute on the daily support level at 162.50. Came back and retested that level. Could potentially drive down here. I'm not going to take sales, but it makes sense. I won't lie, it makes sense. You could potentially see us drive into this level right here. And I think you could do a stops above the current candle. Okay, no. I would have wanted to see a bearish 5 minute candle closure for sales. But I'm not going to take sales right here. Just wanting to see what happens. Like I say, I'll stay out if we do drive down. But it, obviously right now it does make sense for us to push further down. There's no real evidence that we've reacted to that daily support. Close below on a 30-minute. Four hours about to close, and yeah, obviously for me this is a potential rejection area. I mean, I had a mentor, but he didn't even really know that he was my mentor. Mr. Roger Banks. Just watched his live streams. So yeah, I learned to trade from live streams. Hence I had the inspiration to do it myself. I think it's an amazing place to learn, to see how someone else is seeing the chart and you know how they are taking and managing trades. Also just the idea of price action, understanding and learning how to read candles, you know, it just made things a lot more simple and it really stuck with me. Look at this. Looks like your 15 minutes gonna close back above this daily support area. There you go. No top wick though. I'm gonna feel a lot better taking bars above 162, 465. think if we can close above this resistance, we should move back up to above that level. Yep, no top wick on the 15 and we're driving back down now, so you could see a continuation and see this push further down. 13 minutes left of the 4 hour. Oh, look at that. Never mind. Volume coming in here, moving up. Guys, I'm gonna stay locked in right here. I want to see how this 4 hour candle closes. If we can close back above 162.465 or even back above 162.430, we could be game here. Let's maybe wait. I want to see this bullish candle close, this hourly candle close bullish at least. Crypto's info with leverage. Leverage is obviously a double-edged sword, but that's how we make money in trading. That's why it's a skill. Got to learn how to manage risk. That's the biggest thing. You want to make money, you're going to need leverage. If you want to trade with leverage, you're going to have to be able to manage risk. Gold. Guys, stay out of gold until NFP. Just do yourself a favor. It's quite volatile right now, which is surprising because we do have NFP later. Normally you'll see it moving quite slowly before high volatility events, but at the end of the day, we are still in a range here, which is expected. That is exactly what you would expect before something like NFP. So you're waiting for a breakout of this range. They're looking at bad numbers, and if that happens, then you could potentially see gold move up. But it's tricky. Keep in mind we are very bearish on gold. So a break below 1733, the support right over here, you could definitely see us push further down. And you've got a strong daily support here at 1726. So I'm expecting to see price push into that level and bounce. Maybe correct some of this move. But that's more of a prediction. So you just gotta you're gonna have to wait and see and actually react to what price is doing. Bearish candle closure here on the 5 minute. If this hourly candle closes bearish, then that's the stream, guys. Nothing I could do here. I've been looking for buys, and we had a further push down. My analysis stays the same here on GJ. We had a strong bullish closure back above this daily support. Monthly still needs a top wick. And looks like after yesterday's candle we could push back up to those levels. So right now we've had a strong push down, but we've tapped into this daily support at 162 right over here. We've tapped into that level. So we'll see how price reacts to these areas here. There was a Japanese Prime Minister or ex-Prime Minister shot early hours of this morning. So I think that's why we're seeing this move down. Now, when you get impulsive moves down from news, those moves can often get corrected. And because of my daily bias, I am anticipating this move to get corrected, but I need some sort of confirmation. Right now there's nothing. Calvin, welcome to the stream. I wouldn't buy gold right now, and I wouldn't sell it either. I would wait until NFP, and I would keep waiting. So many lines on my chart today. I really don't like this. Let's see if we can do a fresh analysis. Brand new. Daily support right over there. Other daily levels right here. I won't be live until NFP, and I can't tell you what the market's going to do. If there's bad numbers for the dollar, then we could potentially see some of this move corrected. We've had a really strong move down this week. So, you know, if we have bad NFP numbers break out of this range to the upside, we could potentially, you know, move back up to 1760. I think that makes sense. Clean traffic moving up. 130 pips. I've been muted. Damn. I was just saying a 30-minute candle looks horrible. It looks like it still has potential to drive down. Okay, we are about to close, but your hourly candle is still closing bearish, so I'm not interested. Not going to be any trades. For sales, I'd stay out. I'd stay out of this range. I'd wait for a break of 161,500 right over here. Potentially 161,350. I think that's better. Got nice clean traffic moving down after that. And if we do break below 161,350, we would have also broken yesterday's low. So that looks a little bit better at that point to drive down. Right now you just have to be aware we are tapping into a daily support. So we could reject this area. We've closed respecting this hourly level right over here. 4 hour, obviously very bearish. Close bullish on the 30-minute. So I think any sort of move is going to come in New York session. I want to see a break above 162.500 to potentially continue moving up here. Maybe safer buys will be above 162.900. Guys, don't forget to check out monstermoneytrading.com for I've got a beginner's course up there. Really nice for anyone wanting to get started with their trading journey, or if you have started your trading journey already and you just feel like you lack direction, maybe you've been learning from the wrong people, you want something a little bit more simple and you want to know what trading is really all about, that beginner's course is going to be awesome for you. Got videos on technical analysis, just the basics to help you understand what's going on. And I mean, if you take that beginner's course and you come join the live stream, you're pretty much set. Had a really good month last month, 510 pips. This week has been really slow, but I mean guys, we've been doing well here. 107 pips last week, 510 pips last month on stream. So I don't know what way you could possibly speed up your trading journey any other way. I don't know. I think that's the fastest way to profits. Beginner's course, help you understand what trading is really about. It's also a little bit there touching on a winning attitude, and that's what you need in trading. XPM died. Damn. So maybe we see a continuation of this move down. Check that out. Also look at the Discord group. The link is in the channel description. Got trade updates, breakdowns, got a nice community, guys sharing trade ideas. Quite cool to be a part of the community, so get involved there, guys. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Lastly, gold, NFP today. So take it easy, wait for the numbers to be released. You're going to see some volatility before, so just stay out of the volatility, wait for things to die down, and you could get involved in quite a nice move, whichever way the market wants to go here. Right now we're in a range, so you need a breakout. You need a break above 1747 or a break below 1733. I'll keep an eye on this and I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord group so don't miss out. Could be quite a nice day here with NFP. There's been a lot of volume on gold this week. And I'll keep you guys updated on this GJ as well. If this setup comes to fruition, I will update you guys on the Discord. Link is in the channel description. Don't miss out, guys. I know the week has been slow in the live stream, but on the Discord, I don't know if any of you guys caught this move, but I did give a breakdown for the buys yesterday for this move up. Way before we even had this pullback, I said if we do pull back into this level, wait for support to form. And as that support formed, I let the group know, and you could have got involved in buys there. Also called a nice little move down on gold earlier this week as well. About 50 pips or so. Can't quite remember where it was. But anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Stay tuned on the Discord group.